Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at solving problems involving two. Did I say two? I said two. Two right triangles, not just one. I didn't say one, Adriana. I said two. At least two. Two right triangles. Look, two. All right. Determine the length of ST. Where's ST? ST, ST, ST. There it is. Here's ST. This is the length ST. They want to determine the length ST to the nearest tenth of a meter. What's a tenth of a meter? 1 decimal. So they want ST to the length of 1 decimal place. But I have two triangles. I have a triangle here. This triangle we will call triangle WVU. And we have another triangle over here, which I'll call triangle SUT. So I have two different triangles here. Let's see if I have enough information in this triangle to get ST. I don't know ST and I want it. I don't know UT. I don't know US. I don't know any angles other than 90. It's a pretty sad state of affairs in triangle SUT, isn't it? There's not a lot going on in there. So let's look over in this triangle. Got a lot more happening here. Notice I might be able to use some of this information for this one. Ooh, exciting, exciting, exciting. 40. This is 40 meters from here to here. This is 15 meters. So this little bit will be 40 minus 15, which will be 25. I now know something in this triangle. That's so cool. Oh, I feel better already. Now, if I could figure out this angle, and if I know that that's 115, this entire angle is called a straight angle. So that entire thing, so this one plus this one plus this one, must add up to 180 degrees, okay? It's not a triangle, it's a straight angle. So that whole thing is gonna have to be 180. So if I could figure out this, then I could get this, right? If I've got this and if I've got this, I can get that, right? So that's my strategy. Now in your homework, it's gonna say, outlay a strategy for getting that, you know what? Think about the question, think about what you're gonna go and do, and then just do it. I don't care about you writing out your strategy and saying, I'm gonna do this and this, but you do need a strategy. You need to start doing something. Okay, so exciting, exciting. I want this angle. I want to go after, I'm gonna call it theta. We also could call it angle WUV. But in either case, I'm gonna start off working in triangle WVU. So you tell your people what you're going to be doing. I'm going to start working in triangle WVU. Now in WVU, I want this angle. And to get that angle, this is its adjacent, this is its hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse, that's cosine. So cosine of theta, because it's easier than putting in the symbol WVU, cosine theta is going to be equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Now you should know that I'm after the inverse. So angle theta is going to be cosine inverse. Now that's not an exponent. That is all one symbol. 15 over 21. Using a calculator. And I come up with theta equals approximately 44.4 degrees. So that means that angle WUV, which is theta, equals approximately 44.4 degrees. So that means that this angle over here, I could call it phi if I wanted to, or I can say in triangle SUT, I could say that angle SUT is going to equal 180 minus 115 minus 44.4 because it's a straight angle. So 180 minus 115 minus 44.4 is 20.6. So I now know that this angle here is 20.6 degrees. That is so cool. Because now if I know this angle, and if I know this side, which is the adjacent to 20.6, I can figure out the opposite to that angle. So I'm still in this triangle. This was my first step in that triangle. Here's my second step in this triangle. Opposite, adjacent is tangent. So tangent of 20.6 is going to equal to ST over top of 25. Now, my number's in the denominator this time, so this is an easier question. I just cross multiply. And we find out that ST is equal to approximately 20.6 tan times 25 equals 9.4 meters. And that is how you go about doing a question like that. Isn't that cool? I think that's cool. We'll be right back.